Last year, OnePlus had introduced three Ace branded smartphones in China. The Ace 2 debuted in February, followed by the Ace 2V in March, and the second half saw the launch of the Ace 2 Pro. The company is likely to stick to the same release strategy for this year as well for the Ace 3 series. The brand has already launched a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 powered OnePlus Ace 3 earlier in China. It has been launched internationally as a OnePlus 12R. Going forward, the brand is expected to launch the Ace 3V and Ace 3 Pro probably in the first and second half of the same year. A new leak of the Ace 3V has come online. According to Chinese leaker, it will feature an OLED screen that offers a 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset will also be present under the hood. It will draw power from 5500 battery and support 100 watt of charging. The device will come equipped with a plastic frame and a glass back. There is a possibility that it could be flat and curved screen variants of both. There is no news of the camera, storage or RAM specs of this phone. This will be most probably rebranded as the Node 5 online for the global market. As you know, 4 is considered an unlucky number and most of the Oppo phones have avoided the number